So at times, what you may want to do is schedule out your community posts. So over here, you can see that I am in the community post space itself. So if I were to go around and say, welcome to my channel right here. So I can post it right now, or I can go around and change the post to sometime later as well. So to do that, you can click on the triangular button right here. And once you go around over here, you can see schedule post is an option. You can go around and click around over here. And here you can see that you can select out a date right here. So let's say if I were to select November 15, you can go around and select out a time right here and a time zone as well. So once you do that and click on schedule, what happens is that your post will be scheduled and will be posted to the community when that time reaches. So if you were to go on to the schedule section, you can see all of the community posts that you may have that you have scheduled. And over here, you can see that you can also edit it out right here and change around, let's say, the timing and press done, and the schedule will change out. If you want to remove out the scheduling right here, you can also go around over here and delete out this scheduled post, and it won't be visible anymore. And that is how you can schedule out community posts inside of YouTube Studio. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.